Perugia, Italy, year 2007. British student Meredith Kircher is found murdered inside the apartment she shares with other international students. The crime shocks the quiet university town. Signs of violence, a chaotic scene, and immediate pressure on investigators to find someone responsible. Within days, global media attention turns to Amanda Knox, an American student and Meredith's roommate, and her Italian boyfriend, Raffaele Solicito. Long before a verdict, the story is already being written in headlines. Prosecutors argued that the murder involved multiple attackers during a night of escalating violence. Investigators claimed inconsistencies in statements, unusual behavior, and DNA traces that seemed to connect the suspects to the crime. After many hours of interrogation, Amanda signed a statement wrongly accusing her employer, Patrick Lumumba, something she later retracted, saying she was confused and pressured. At the same time, another man, Rudy Guede, had clear fingerprints and DNA at the scene and was tried separately. In 2009, Amanda Knox and Raffaele Solicito were convicted of murder. For many people, the case appeared solved. But on appeal, independent experts challenged the DNA evidence, arguing that key samples were unreliable and possibly contaminated. In 2011, both were acquitted and released. The world thought the story was over, until a higher court overturned the acquittal and reinstated the convictions, turning the case into one of the most controversial legal battles in modern Italy. Finally, in 2015, Italy's Supreme Court permanently acquitted both Knox and Solicito. Judges cited serious investigative errors, weak forensic foundations, and flawed reasoning in earlier rulings. The only person definitively convicted for Meredith Kircher's murder remained Rudy Guede, whose genetic evidence was found throughout the crime scene. Amanda Knox was left convicted only of defamation for the false accusation made during her initial questioning. The case ended in court, but in public memory, the first narrative never disappeared. For many people, the image created by the media proved stronger than the final verdict, because the real story is never on the surface. It's under the surface.